A game changer in the automotive industry, this all-electric SUV offers impressive performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort. In this article, we will delve into the features that make the 2023 EQS 580 SUV stand out and explore why it's redefining the standards for electric vehicles. The EQS 580 comes equipped with dual electric motors, generating a combined output of 516 horsepower and 611 pound-feet of torque. This powerful SUV accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, rivaling many sports cars on the market. With an estimated range of 350 miles on a single charge, it provides the perfect balance of power and efficiency, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable driving experience. Charging the EQS 580 SUV is quick and convenient, thanks to its 200 kilowatt DC fast charging capability. It can recharge from 10% to 80% in just 31 minutes, minimizing downtime during long trips. Additionally, the intelligent energy recuperation system captures and stores energy during braking or coasting, further enhancing efficiency and extending the vehicle's range. The exterior design of the EQS seamlessly blends luxury and aerodynamics, resulting in a sleek, modern look. The signature Mercedes-Benz grille features an illuminated three-pointed star, adding a touch of sophistication. The one-bow design with a coupe-like roofline gives the vehicle a distinctive and elegant appearance while optimizing aerodynamics and reducing drag. Inside the EQS, passengers are greeted with an opulent and spacious cabin, featuring high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. With ample legroom and headroom, the SUV comfortably seats up to 7 passengers. The optional M-Box Hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass display, stretches across the entire dashboard, integrating digital instrument clusters and infotainment systems for an immersive, user-friendly experience. Mercedes-Benz has packed the EQS 580 SUV with advanced technology, including the latest M-Box infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity and personalized profiles for each user. The innovative augmented reality head-up display projects navigation instructions and other relevant information directly onto the windshield, reducing distractions and increasing safety. Furthermore, the vehicle features over-the-air software updates, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of automotive technology. It comes with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Moreover, it offers an optional drive pilot system, which enables Level 3 autonomous driving, allowing the vehicle to handle steering, acceleration, and braking in certain traffic situations. Mercedes-Benz has placed a strong emphasis on sustainability with the EQS 580 SUV. The vehicle utilizes a high percentage of recycled and renewable materials, minimizing its environmental impact. The cabin's leather-like upholstery is made from eco-friendly Dynamica microfiber, and the wood trims come from certified sustainable forestry sources. The Mercedes EQS 580 SUV raises the bar for electric luxury vehicles, offering a unique combination of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. With its sleek design, eco-friendly materials, and state-of-the-art safety features, this all-electric SUV sets a new standard for sustainable luxury. As the automotive industry continues to evolve and embrace electrification, the EQS SUV serves as a shining example of what the future holds for premium electric vehicles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.